Happy Tech Tip Tuesday to you all. It is that day of the week again. This week I'm going to talk about DEF, diesel exhaust fluid. Comes up quite often, in particular for our telehandlers. Customers will say all of a sudden it's dying in the middle of the road, and they didn't realize that their DEF gauge went all the way to zero. One of the key aspects to look for is a blue fill tank cap or a blue fill cap. Sometimes, again, they're with the right next to the diesel cap. Other times they're on the complete opposite side of the machine. So depending on what machine you're using, make sure that if it has DEF, that you check not only the diesel fuel gauge inside your cap, but also the DEF levels. That is quite critical and something that is becoming more and more prevalent as the older machines are getting phased out and the newer machines are meeting the Tier 4 final emission requirements. Anything over, I believe, 74 horsepower is required to have that DEF system in there or some kind of emission system. So keep an eye on that, and I'll show you what the fuel cap looks like here in the next scene. All right, here we are in the next scene, and this is the blue label that I was talking about, the DEF tank fill up here. As you can see, clearly labeled DEF fluid only. And just around the corner right here is your green cap for your diesel tank, and over there is your black fragile. But these two I want to talk about. Make sure you never ever put your DEF in there, and vice versa. These are highly sensitive systems. Some of the sensors in here are $5,000 and up. Don't quote me on those numbers, but I just know super expensive. So let me take that back. Say just thousands of dollars to replace these systems if they go bad or they get damaged. So keep in mind, keep blue with blue, green with green when you're using these newer machines nowadays. Hopefully this will help you and your team keep you up and running. And you can pick this stuff up anywhere like Walmart and local gas stations. Quite popular, so it shouldn't be too hard to track down if you have it for low. I hope this week's Tech Tip Tuesday with the DEF helped you and your team out. Keep that little can of DEF around if you're using a telehandler a lot. Some manufacturers don't need it. Some of the machines are running 74 horsepower and under, and you're cool, don't have to worry about it. If you have a higher horsepower machine and you have that DEF system, keep a bottle of that around. Keep you running. You never know when you run out. But watch those gauges, help you keep you on track. Let me know how I can help you and your team out. Please like, subscribe to this channel, and spread the word. I appreciate you. I love you all. Thank you so much. Have an amazing rest of your day.